Your money is like a little seed. If you plant it in the ground and do nothing, it'll just sit there. But if you water it, give it sunlight, and care for it, it grows into a tree. Investing is basically watering your money so it can grow over time. This video will talk about many ways you can invest your money and grow it in different methods. First up, stocks, or owning a small piece of a company. When the company makes money and grows, your shares value can go up, and sometimes you get a small payment called a dividend. However, stock prices can change every day. Some days your investment goes up, other days it drops. That's the risk, but it can also mean big rewards over time. Next, we have bonds. Think of bonds like you're the bank. You lend money to the government or a company, and they promise to pay you back later with interest. They're usually less risky than stocks, but it's slower growth. Bonds are great for keeping part of your money safe while still earning something. Now we have index funds. That's like a big basket holding lots of different stocks or bonds. Instead of buying just one company, you spread your money across many. That way, if one company does badly, the others can help balance things out. It's a smart choice for beginners who want to invest without picking every single stock themselves. That brings us to real estate. This is buying property like houses and land. You make money by renting it out or selling it for more later. It is a big investment, but it is also one of the most common ways people build long-term wealth. Starting your own business. This could be anything from selling art and tutoring to flipping items online. It's risky because you might not make money right away, but it's also the most hands-on way to grow your skills and your cash. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about letting your money and your time work together. The earlier you start, even with small amounts, the bigger the payoff in the future. So, if you start now, even with $10 a month, you can still benefit from it in the future. There are many other ways to invest. This is barely scraping the surface. If you would like a part 2, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Question for you. If you had $100 to invest right now, what would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments.